Creating a commercial proposal. Let's create a new commercial proposal. Choose the customer you are creating the proposal for. Choose the validity in number of days. Choose the payment terms, payment type and source. All the values of these combo lists can be customized from the setup of the module. Set the availability delay, shipping method and delivery date. If the module project is enabled, you can also select a project. Choose the currency. Provide any notes that will be visible in the proposal, as well as any private notes that will be visible only to you. Once created, the proposal is in the draft status. You can now start adding the actual product and pricing information to it. Add the product or service name along with a description. Choose a tax slab, if relevant. Enter the net cost, quantity, and any applicable discount. You can add multiple items to the proposal. Use the Contact or Addresses tab if you want to assign particular contacts to the proposal. This information can be filled automatically with default contacts and can be used on the generated PDF or ODT document. Use the Linked Files section to add any attachments to the proposal. Validating and sending the proposal. Once you're done, click on Validate to finalize the proposal and move it to the Open status. Now the proposal is ready to be sent to your customer or vendor. A default template is used for the generated PDF file. Click on the Send Email button. You can now fill in the receiver details. All other details in the proposal are automatically included. Click on Send Email to send the proposal. Based on the response received from your customer or vendor, you can set the proposal to the Accepted or Refused status. Commercial Proposal. Module features. Use the Clone button to create a similar proposal with all the details pre-filled, for example, to create another version of the proposal. Depending on your workflow, you can convert your proposal into an order or directly into an invoice. Statistics gives a bird's-eye view of all the commercial proposals sent to your customers and vendors. Use the filters available to get more detailed statistics. With the list views, you can view proposals based on their status, such as draft, open, accepted or signed, which needs billing, rejected or not signed, and billed. There are plenty of other